Barbara Boyko, and this workshop is very interesting to me and very interesting to us, and very helpful and good to everybody. Hi, Dubai Islamic Bank. Thank you so much.
I'm Imalinda Porquiado. So these trainings, I learned a lot, very interested in my life. So my mindset is all changed because of the training. So my format now is, my income is income minus savings, then expenses.
Hello everybody, this was a privilege to have Merlin on board talking to our staff today. This was a wonderful experience and a very insightful learning for financial literacy, and there were many important questions and aspects answered to educate ourselves about the concepts of how to spend money, and it was very beneficial. The feedback that the staff gave was very encouraging, and we look forward for more sessions and more cohort of staff being addressed in this very important topic. Thank you for the efforts and good luck.
First of all, I want to thank Merlin for a wonderful session with all our staff. It was a great time. Many of them shared their joy after the session, that it was a great session. It is very vital for all of us to know about how to manage our finances, and it gives us the strength to empower ourselves. So thank you. We would like to take this opportunity to thank Dubai Islamic Bank. Thank you to the whole team once again.
That's what I learned from Dubai Islamic Bank. Thank you.